So, respected dignitaries on the dais and all the invitees here today, very good evening. It gives me a great pleasure to read out the citation for Mr. Dr. Anand Kumar Eslavat. This CSR Award of the Year 2021, sponsored by NMDC, and the recipient is, of course, Dr. Anand Kumar. Dr. Anand Kumar Eslavat is a doctor by profession, film director by passion, and also a social worker. He established an NGO called Banjara Mahila NGO on his mother, Mrs. Sujata Eslavat, during the year 2015. He hails from a middle-class family of Nalgonda district. Dr. Anand and his wife, Dr. Purnima, organized around 200 mega health camps for the underprivileged with the support of his friends and his ground level services during the pandemic period and was appreciated by all over. He also organized about 300 COVID relief camps in 15 states and helped orphanage homes, old age homes, migrants, and frontline warriors. His effort brought him many awards like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Award, Delhi, Best NGO, Best Doctor, Best Social Worker Award for 3 consecutive years. And he has received appreciations from Honorable Vice President of India, Megastar Chiranjeevi, and Sri Sajjanar, the IPS Additional Director General of Police. The team of Banjara Mahila NGO, comprising of Dr. Anand, Dr. Purnima, Mrs. Sujata, and Mr. E.C. Gopal, sincerely put all their efforts during the pandemic period and helped people with the supply of groceries and food distribution in the 15 states. During the floods too, Dr. Banjara Mahila NGO team reached out to the flood-affected areas in Orissa, Chennai, and Hyderabad and shown their humanity of helping the underprivileged. In recognition of this uniqueness in approach and social responsibility practice, fairness and socially responsible innovation of strategic and practical social importance, and demonstrating commitment and compliance to the universal deed of corporate social responsibility, Hyderabad Management Association is pleased to honor Banjara Mahila NGO with the CSR Award of the Year 2021. May I invite Dr. Anand to come to the dais, please.
Dr. Anand actually would request his parents also to join on the stage along for the photo opportunity. The Corporate Social Responsibility Award this time goes to Dr. E. Anand, who is the founder chairman for Banjara Mahila NGO, non-governmental organization. They must be doing a human service for sure. Probably a proud moment to seal for future with family alongside. A great moment for Dr. E. Anand. This award has been instituted by NMDC. Thank you very much. May I request Dr. Anand to say a few words here, please?
Good evening, one and all. I don't know how to start. Myself, Dr. Anand, I belong to district of Nalgonda, state Telangana. I did my master's MD in Ayurveda from Hyderabad, and after that, I got selected through UPSC and settled in New Delhi basically. And I'm married to a beautiful girl called Dr. Purnima. She and myself started one NGO called Banjara Mahila NGO. It was my mother's dream and my father's dream to help out, to reach out the needy and help the underprivileged. So immediately I took the decision to start serving the people across the India. And from 2015, our initial health camp was organized in Nalgonda district, where 500 underprivileged women got screened for the cancer, and the medicines was provided. And from there on, with the help of all my friends, we continue to serve all over India in 15 states, and we have reached every orphanage in Hyderabad, especially every old age home, and we feel very blessed and very proud to serve the underprivileged during these last 5 years. And moreover, during this pandemic COVID-19 situation, myself, my team went personally to the places and supported everyone, including orphanage homes, old age homes, with the groceries where they are struggling to get the food. And we have organized so many camps for the Divyangs, that is physically disabled children. And even we have supported frontline warriors like doctors, police, sanitation workers, and all others, even with the media people also. So first of all, I want to thank Hyderabad Management Association for recognizing our efforts, and the jury of the HMA for honoring with this CSR Award of the Year. During these 5 years, I have received so many awards and appreciations, including Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu Garu in Delhi also. But this day, it's a lifetime memory for me and my family, because achieving this award means a lot for our team. And I sincerely thank one and all who are behind this award. And we are going to continue to serve the people all over India, and with the help of my friends. And my friend Divya also came from US to attend this event. And I want to thank, finally, Honorable Governor of State Telangana and Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan Garu, for gracing this occasion virtually, and President Pankaj Kapoorji, and all the team of HMA. Thank you so much. Thank you one and all. Thank you.